I'm Luigi Tondi, I'm a Sales and Business Development Director for European market of LKIMM injection molding machine company. Today in B1 1213 booth at FAKUMA 2023, we are showing our latest injection molding machines developed for the European market. We are showing our, let me say, most sold machines for the European market and our cutting-edge technologies to better serve our European customers and to show them what we are doing here in real production in order to show them what the machines are capable of. As LKIMM Injection Molding Machine Europe, we established our European office almost 2 years ago. Our headquarters in Europe is located in Brescia, in Italy. And from this point and then from this office, we are serving all our European customers. And we are the key point and the bridge with our Chinese factory production plants. The Potenza series is our most sold machine, and we provide this machine from a range of 80 ton up to 1,000 ton. The machine can be easily equipped with several packs, like automotive packs, or the one that we are showing here, which is a green pack. The green pack is allowing us to reduce the carbon footprint of the production with our machines. We are using e-dosing just to have better quality and better stability in the process and to reduce the power energy consumption of our machine. And on the other hand, we are using infrared heaters, which is a key solution for the market needs, since we can reach up to 95% energy efficiency and have a stability of the process which can allow us to have the best performance just with the lowest consumption that we can ensure to our European customers. Our full electric machine, called Electrica, is provided to the market from a range of 100 ton up to 350 ton, and we serve this machine in different configuration. You can ask for this machine in a fully electric configuration, which is allowing us to reduce at the minimum the power consumption, and on top of that, we install on this machine infrared heaters, which can enhance again the power reduction and the carbon footprint impact to be more sustainable and more environmentally friendly in the European market. Such a machine can be even ordered in different configurations. The first one is going to be an hybrid configuration where for the customers we are not looking full electric machines, but they are still using some oil in their production. They are still using core pullers or some, let me say, hydraulic movement. For sure we can provide this machine in hybrid configuration, providing them full electric machines but with some additional hydraulic pump, which can allow additional systems to work together with our electronic environment. So we are expecting a great success for this exhibition. The customers are really interested in our products, and then we are collecting a lot of visitors coming to our booths and checking our latest technology. We are waiting for them even for the next year, the same place here at FAKUMA, and in 2 years again in a case show. So see you soon, and thanks for coming at this year FAKUMA.